Hey everyone, this is an affordable 5-acre land parcel just 19 miles north of Alamosa, Colorado for you to build or invest in. Right from where you stand on this lot, you've got an amazing view of the mountains. Imagine waking up to the sight of the majestic Sangre de Cristo and San Luis mountain ranges right from your own front door. Location is everything. Conveniently accessible via CO-17 and with the Great Sand Dunes National Park within easy reach, natural beauty and adventure are just around the corner. This 5-acre tract isn't just about the views, it's a canvas for your future. With no HOA to limit your creativity, you're free to build a residence that truly reflects you. And guess what? The land borders Bureau of Land Management property, expanding your horizons even further. You'll have all the modern conveniences with utilities ready for connection. Install a septic system, drill your own well, and choose between solar or city power. The choice is yours. Love the outdoors? You're minutes away from hot springs pools, San Luis lakes, and acres upon acres of national forest ready for exploration. Let's talk details. A full 5 acres, flat and build ready. Enjoy stunning mountain views day in, day out. Only 19 miles to all the amenities of Alamosa. A low annual property tax of just $72.84. Zoned residential sitting at an elevation of 7,526 feet. No HOA POA fees. Ready for well water and septic installation. Build when you want. No time limit. And if you don't have one-time cash to purchase, don't worry. We offer very affordable seller financing to make this dream a reality. Got your interest? Contact us at CheapLandFarm.com to learn more, schedule a viewing this week, and take the first step towards building your future. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity.